Hello, everyone, and welcome to LinguoLens English. I'm so happy you're here with me today. My name is Emma, and I'm your English learning friend. Today, we're going to practice real-life English conversations together. This means we'll learn the kind of English you actually use every day. When you talk to friends, when you go shopping, or when you meet new people. Don't worry if you're just starting to learn English. We'll go slow. We'll practice together. And remember, every small step makes you better. You're doing great just by listening today. So, are you ready? Let's start with something simple. When we meet someone new, what do we say? We say, hello or hi. Let me say it first, then you repeat after me, okay? Hi, nice to meet you. Now you try. Say it with me. Hi, nice to meet you. Perfect! Did you say it? Great job. Even if it wasn't perfect, that's okay. Practice makes progress, not perfection. Let's try another one. When someone asks, how are you? You usually say, I'm good, thanks. How about you? Let me say it slowly. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Your turn. Repeat after me. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Wonderful! You're doing so well already. I can feel your English getting stronger with every sentence. Now, let's practice a real conversation. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. The person behind you drops their wallet. You want to help. What do you say? You say, excuse me, you dropped this. Listen first. Excuse me, you dropped this. Now you say it. Excuse me, you dropped this. Excellent! That's how you help people in English. You're learning to be kind in a new language. That's beautiful. The person will probably say, oh, thank you so much. How do you answer? You can say, no problem, or you're welcome. Let's practice. No problem. You try. No problem. And now, you're welcome. Your turn. You're welcome. Amazing! You just learned how to help someone and be polite. These small conversations happen every day, and now you're ready for them. Let's move to another situation. You're at the grocery store. You can't find something. You need to ask for help. You can say, excuse me, where can I find the milk? Listen carefully. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Now you repeat. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Perfect. The store worker might say, it's in aisle 3. How do you say thank you? You say, thank you very much. Try it. Thank you very much. Great job. You're becoming more confident with every sentence. I can hear it in your practice. Now, what if you're lost? This happens to everyone. You need directions. You can say, excuse me, how do I get to the train station? First me. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Now you. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Wonderful! Someone might say, go straight, then turn left. You should say, thank you, and maybe, have a good day. Let's practice. Thank you. Have a good day. You try. Thank you. Have a good day. Excellent! You're learning to be polite and friendly. This is what makes good conversations. Let's practice ordering food now. This is very useful. When you go to a restaurant, you might say, "I'd like a sandwich, please." Listen, "I'd like a sandwich, please." Your turn. "I'd like a sandwich, please." Perfect. The server might ask, "What kind of sandwich?" You can say, "A chicken sandwich, please." Try it. "A chicken sandwich, please." Great! And don't forget to say thank you when they bring your food. Say with me, "Thank you." You're doing so well. I'm really proud of your practice today. Now let's try talking about the weather. English speakers love talking about weather. If it's sunny, you can say, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Listen first. "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Now you repeat. "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Wonderful. If someone says this to you, you can answer, "Yes, it really is," or "Absolutely." Try this. "Yes, it really is." And now, "Absolutely." Great job! You're learning to make small talk. This helps you connect with people. Let's practice one more important conversation. When you finish talking to someone, how do you say goodbye nicely? You can say, "It was nice talking to you." Listen, "It was nice talking to you." Your turn. "It was nice talking to you." Perfect. And you can add, "See you later," or just "Goodbye." Try, "See you later," and "Goodbye." Excellent work today. You practiced so many real conversations. You learned how to greet people, ask for help, order food, talk about weather, and say goodbye. These are the building blocks of English conversation. Remember, every time you practice these sentences, you get better. Every time you repeat after me, your pronunciation improves. Every time you listen to English, your understanding grows stronger. Don't worry about making mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes too. The important thing is to keep trying, keep practicing, keep speaking. You know what? You already speak English better today than you did yesterday. Tomorrow, you'll speak even better than today. That's how learning works, step by step, day by day. So here's your homework, but it's fun homework. Try to use one of these phrases every day. Say, "Hi, nice to meet you," to someone new. Say, "Thank you very much," when someone helps you. Ask, "Where can I find," when you're shopping. Small steps, big progress. Before we finish, let me remind you of something important. You are brave. Learning a new language takes courage. You're listening to this podcast, practicing pronunciation, trying new words. That's brave. Be proud of yourself. Thank you so much for practicing with me today on LinguoLens English. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Your English journey is just beginning, and it's going to be amazing. I'll see you next time for more practice together. Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and remember, you've got this. Goodbye, everyone.